Presenting Agaro Ace 1600 watts wet and dry stainless steel vacuum cleaner. The powerful 1600 watts motor produces 21.5 kilopascals suction power, which removes both dry particles and liquids with ease. With a capacity of 21 liters, the dirt collecting container lets you clean large areas without the hassle of emptying the bin repeatedly. The 37 mm diameter hose enables maximum airflow, allowing you to easily clean larger sized debris. The flexible design helps you reach even far off areas, while the locking tab keeps the hose connected to the unit. The powerful blower helps in blowing the dust easily for effortless cleaning. The 360-degree 4-swivel wheels allow you to conveniently take the unit anywhere in your home. The vacuum cleaner is provided with a 3 liters capacity dust bag for collecting dry dust, pet hairs and tough stains. It comes with main unit, hose pipe, telescopic metal tube, flow brush, crevice nozzle, multi-purpose brush and absorbing brush accessories. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.